Kugig Whitening Toothpaste is marketed as a toothpaste that claims to whiten teeth, remove stubborn stains, and give you a brighter smile in a short amount of time. The before and after photos can look impressive, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, whitening toothpaste are a legitimate product category and can help remove some surface stains caused by coffee, tea, or smoking. What it does well, helps remove surface stains. Most whitening toothpaste can reduce external stains with regular brushing, supports daily oral hygiene. It cleans your teeth while helping maintain fresh breath and overall oral health. Where the hype falls apart, it won't dramatically whiten your teeth. Whitening toothpaste mainly removes surface stains and typically can't change the natural color of your teeth. Results take time. Any noticeable improvement usually requires consistent use over several weeks. Deep stains require other treatments. Stains beneath the enamel generally won't be removed by toothpaste alone. So, should you buy Kugig Whitening Toothpaste? Short answer, maybe, if you're looking to reduce surface stains. If you want a toothpaste that supports everyday oral care while helping remove minor staining, it may be worth considering. But don't expect professional-level whitening from toothpaste alone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.